Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So today I am experimenting again. You all know how I love to experiment and learn how to do new things. So that's what I'm doing today. This is an image that I created a long time ago. This is 41 weeks ago. I was actually trying to create some leopard print planner clip art, and that's exactly what I typed into Midjourney, leopard print planner clip art. I was using version 5.2 at the time, um, and I created a lot of different images for planner stickers, and I do believe the sticker sheet that I created is on my website. I always link my website in the description box below, but there is a leopard print um, sticker kit in my website, but that's not what we're here to talk about today. I am going to make me or attempt to make me a dashboard for my happy planner. I picked up a happy planner from Hobby Lobby. Um, it was on clearance and it was undated. So it was a win-win for me because I can pick it up and put it down as I want to throughout the year because it is undated. So I'm going to take this image. I'm going to go over to Canva, and I am using Canva Pro. Um, I'm not sure if everything I'm doing is a Canva Pro feature. A Canva, mm, a Canva Pro feature is needed for everything that I'm doing, but I know for some of the things, a Canva Pro feature is needed. So I'm going to go over to Canva and I'm going to do custom size. I'm going to change this to inches. I measured the dashboard and the pages in my Happy Planner, and they are 7 by 9.25. And I'm going to hit Create Design. And I'm going to go and upload my image real quick. So I'm going to hit Uploads, Upload Files. My image, I'm just going to hit Open, and it's going to bring it over. All right. So I'm just going to click on the image and I'm going to stretch it out as much as I can. Keep in mind that with the Happy Planner, you are going to have to punch holes in it, um, in the dashboard. So keep that in mind. So if you want to leave a little space over on the sides, you can. Um, I believe it'll be punched on the left side, I believe. But just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to leave this as is because if I bring this over too far, it's going to cut off my this coffee cup. Like, what am I trying to say? So I am going to do background remover to see, just to see what it removes from the background. Okay, so it kept most of everything. So this is essentially the dashboard, right? So what I'm going to do is click on the background part here, not the image, but the background part. And I'm going to go here to the background color and go down here to photo colors to see if I can make the background one of these colors and if I like it. So I'm not going to do this one because it seems like these things here are that color. So let's try that one. It's not bad. Um, it's not bad at all. I do want to kind of be mindful of my printer and my printer colors. I don't want to use a lot of my printer color, but I think this is fine. Um, let's see. Or let's say you don't like that, right? You can click on the background color here. You can click on add new color. You can go here to pick a color, and then you can pick a color out of your image and see if you like it better. My hand is not very steady right now. That made it a little bit lighter. So again, you can go through this whole image here and choose a color that you might like. I like that. I think that's nice. Okay, so this is essentially my dashboard, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here to share and I'm going to download. I'm going to download this as a PDF. I'm going to do PDF print because I said that's best for printing. And I'm going to um, crop, use crop marks and bleed. Because this is going to print on an 8.5 by 11 page. And then flatten PDF. Flattening your PDF converts all content of the design into a single image per page. And it says it may increase the file size. Sometimes I haven't seen this happen, but sometimes if you have multiple images on the page and they're not grouped or anything like that, and maybe you have to print out multiple pages, one of those images may end up on a second page. I've never seen it happen, but some people say it has. So that's why a lot of people flatten their PDFs. I don't necessarily have to do it for this. And RGB, best for digital use. I'm going to go to CMYK, best for professional printing. And that's it. The most important thing for me was to have the crop marks and the bleed, right? And that's for because it's set 7 by 9.25. I need those marks to show me where to cut down my dashboard, right? So I'm going to hit download. I'm going to download this, and once it finishes, I'm going to print it out, and then I'll take you all to the table just to see if it did what I wanted it to do. I'm going to look. I think I have some cardstock around here to see if I can print this on cardstock and see what happens. So really quickly, just wanted to show you that it did put the crop marks on here for me. So this is where I'm going to put this in my paper trimmer and trim down my image, right? So this lets me know I need to trim from here, and this lets me know I need to trim from here, right? And it put it on the bottom as well, right? So you can use those marks to help you trim down your dashboard. All right, so here's my happy planner that I got from Hobby Lobby. Like I said, it's undated. It's really pretty actually. And it has some dashboards in here. It has the dashboards in here have tabs on them. I don't have any tabs, but that's fine with me. But here is my dashboard printed out. And I'm putting it this way because I put it this way. You won't be able to see the whole thing. But here's the dashboard that I printed out. And hopefully you can see it does have the marks on here. So I am going to, I'm so sorry about the shaky cam. I can't figure out how to mount my camera without it shaking up a storm. So what I'm going to do, I am going to, and I did print this out on cardstock. I had some cardstock from Hobby Lobby. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make a mark. A little bit over, because when I trim this down, I won't be able to see my marks anymore, if that makes sense. So let's, the best way to do this, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to, let me see if I can find a ruler. I'm doing this in pencil so I can erase it. So I'm just gonna take a ruler and line it up with these marks is just kind of make these marks just a little bit above. Because once I cut this way, I won't be able to see this mark anymore. So that's the reason why I'm doing this. Just trying to get as close as I can. So I'm just marking just about a ½ inch away. And again, I'm using pencil. So now I'm just going to take my paper trimmer. Not sure how well you'll be able to see this, but I'll try. Just going to line it up here as best I can. All right. It's a little bit off. The closest that you get it, the more accurately it will fit in your planner. So see, it looks a little off there. So I'm just trying to make sure both marks are lined up. The mark right here, you can't see that, what I'm pointing to. The mark here and then the mark on the other end. And I'm just going to trim it down. It's slightly off just a little bit because you can still see that mark there. But I'll try to do better on this side. Just want to line it up as best you can with your paper trimmer. And if it's slightly off, that's fine. It's your planner, right? And it may be my paper trimmer that's off. Who knows? This is a Cricut paper trimmer. I do have another brand that I got from Amazon, but I usually use that with my vinyl. And one more side here. All right. And I now have my dashboard trimmed down as close to 7.25, 7 by 9.25. Let me grab my happy planner here. Just kind of see. Better way I can show you. So this is a dashboard with the happy planner, and let's put it together to see. So it looks like mine is slightly too big. Now I did measure the happy planner book, and it gave me 9. Oh gosh, what am I trying to say? 7 by 9.25, but that's okay. It's an easy fix, right? All I have to do is just take the dashboard here, line it up, and just make a mark to where I need to trim it down. So, not sure why that's so off, but like I said at the beginning, this is an experiment. So let me just make sure. Yeah, that's 7. And then that's, turn it this way so you can see it. Sorry about the shaky cam again. Yeah, 7 by 9.25. So maybe the Cricut measurements are off. I don't know, because that's a lot. Because that's a lot board that I have to cut off. So this is going to take some more experimenting, I see. And if you know in the comments, if you made your own dashboards, let me know. So let's trim this down a little more. Yeah, that was way off. And the other mark. Now, let's try this. Now, all right, I think that's lined up pretty well with the dashboard that's in here. So that's something that I'm going to have to experiment with and see why. Now I have my Happy Planner hole punch here. I'm just measuring to see which, so I'm guessing, because I've only used this for the 8.5 by 11. So I'm guessing these right here are for the mini. These are for the classic. So I'm going to punch my holes as best I can. And then I am going to pop this in my planner. And look at that. I got my own dashboard, custom made. Trying to get it so you can see the whole thing. Here you go. So I have my own custom made dashboard for my Happy Planner. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you think could have happened with the size, because even though I added the crop marks and the bleed, I still ended up having to cut off a lot more. So not sure what's up with that, but yeah, let me know. It's a little, unless I cut it wrong. That's a possibility. But I don't know. I made the marks. I don't know. So anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one.